Hey, what's going on, everybody? Y'all know who it is. We back. It's Monday. Thank everybody, subscribers and everything. First things first, go to the bank. Just go withdraw a little bit of money. It's all about going to see my bank. Really, he's in here. He's the one he's like the business officer. He's the one helping set my business account. The one I always talk to. It's about just building a relationship. So I just come in here, chop it up with him for a few minutes every little Monday morning. If he's not too busy. If he's busy, I'll just say hi. But it's all you want to have those relationships. That's how you're gonna get further. So just trying to build a good relationship. So when I come back and ask for that 200,000 or that $1 million, he gonna be like, let me go work. Let me go to work for you. So that's all I'm. What you do, you build those relationships. But yeah, we about to take this car to Wilson and have him fix this up like we always do. Pulled up to the man, the myth, the legend, Mr. Wilson. Oh man, time for my haircut. How are you? Y'all can see. Gotta bring it back together. We use that for the thumbnail. We always want the worst looking picture. Gotta find the headlight. I mean, look at this. This side looks so good. After I get some new hubcaps, got the good rubber on the tires. It just needs a facelift. Oh dang! I need to put that. I don't know. That seemed like a lot of work to fix it. Maybe I'll just have them like straighten it and maybe like just straighten and like touch up the paint. I mean, it ain't gonna be like too bad. And you can kind of like straighten that out, because really just like putting the bumper on and just kind of like straightening, because that really ain't even that bad, honestly. Look at that, he got new kids up here. What's going on, Wilson? I got you on camera so I can get a better deal and get a better price when I'm just playing. No, I don't have a headlight, but I'm gonna go down here to Best Price and see if they got it. See if they got one, or check one of these other salvage yards. I just kind of just put a screw in there. I was just gonna let you. I just put a screw in there to hold it, but I'll let you. But I'll let you do your thing. How much just to put the bumper on and straighten it? What do you think? 150. Okay. Can you do anything about this?
Yeah,
and like touch it up? All right. I'll bring you. You got the bumper, don't you?
Yeah.
I'll bring you the grill. I got the grill. I'll go grab a grill in the headlight. Waiting on my brother to come. Well, I'm gonna use this car. I'm gonna go run and see if they got a headlight. Then I'll bring it right back. 150. See, you got it. Yeah. Come on, Wilson. Didn't say. Brought you thousands on $1,000. I brought my boy Wilson and got me thousands on dollars. But yeah, I already had this car detailed too. It's a 2015 Nissan Versa. I don't know if I'm picking it up, but yeah. Look like they had a GPS on there. Yeah, it looked like one of those old GPSs or something like that. But yeah, it's already detailed. Probably just need to go re-vacuum because it's stiffened in it. Got the clean black interior. Go to the salvage yard, get a headlight. Probably get this little strip too right here. Right there. Get that little. Go out to the salvage yard, got it off of one of them. Grab me some new hubcaps. Probably like some black and like, See, I wish I could have found like a matching black hood, but we'll sell it just for having it straight. We'll sell it just for having it straight, and with a little touch up, it's gonna have, it's just gonna have some little minor. It's gonna be a little minor, You're gonna see a damage right there. Then you're gonna see a little damage on the hood. The bumper's gonna be looking good and everything. So 2015 Nissan Versa. I paid $1,500 for it a while back. It has just been chilling in the back. So I paid $1,500 for it. Have I done anything? Oh yeah, $100 detail, so that's 16. Bought the bumper. That was an $80 certificate bumper. Headlight. That's probably gonna run about another 60. So I'll probably be at like I'm gonna say when it's all said and done, probably like 2,000 in it. And then 2,000, if I could sell it for, I can go a number of ways. I can go the finance route and probably just have somebody finance it, because I am gonna put in a fresh oil change on it. So I can go finance. Then I can go finance, maybe get a little bit more money that way, or sell it outright cash for maybe like 4,000 or something like that. Maybe like 4,000. I think 4,000 is a reasonable price. I make, spend 2,000 to make 2,000. Really can't beat it. But I appreciate everybody for rocking with me. If you haven't already, like this video. Make sure you subscribe. We'll be streaming later today, so if you got any questions, I'll probably be streaming probably like around like 7 or 8 later today. Probably get a good 3-4 hours in. Earlier just depends on how fast I get stuff done today. I might be streaming earlier. This video is about to go up. I think I'm gonna try to get some video. I think I'm gonna have to start doing the pre-recorded videos. I'm gonna go probably buy me a new GoPro and everything, and just do pre-recorded videos, so I can just have them, put them on the set time. I wanna probably just put them all out where they come out every day. I'm gonna try to have all videos come out at noon. Try to do like videos where they all come out every day at like noon or 1. Like every day that's what I'm gonna try to do. I'm gonna try to have all videos be done, dropping at noon, and then all streams start at like 7. So videos at noon, then it gives about a 7-hour period until then. So maybe 11. Then it gives it a good chance, that's what I'll probably do. 11 to 7, because that's like that's an 8-hour window. So that gives you 8 hours to watch this video before I load up a stream. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Try to get all videos done from 11, stream at 7 for like a couple hours. Yep, that's what we're gonna try to do. But I appreciate everybody for tuning in. If you haven't already, like this video, subscribe. I'm out. Peace.